Today we're going to be looking at quantifiers. Quantifiers is a very interesting topic. Um, English in Action 3 illustrates this topic perfectly. This is the best way to explain it. So, on page 8 of your textbook, we have some quantifiers. What is a quantifier? Quantifier is when you say, for example, 10 people 10 people out of 10 possible people. For example, I have 10 friends, and then you say all of my friends are from Miami. That means all. My 10 friends are from Miami. So that's when we use all. And it goes with of. All of. And then this one has to be, uh, plural noun. Plural noun, right? And the verb is treated as a plural noun. Let's see if I find something else. All of. In the same way, you can say many. That means not all. Not 100% of my friends, right? So that's why you say here, many of the students have computers. That means, for example, 7 out of 10 have computers. So that's when you say many of the students have computers. So what you do here, again, you use many of, then you use plural nouns, right? A plural noun, and then a verb for the plural nouns, which is have. Now we use some. So basically, it goes in this order, right? 10 out of 10. And here is 0 out of 10. You see? For example. Then number 3, some. When we say some, we refer to less than half. Let's say 4 out of 10. Less than half. Okay? Less than 50%. That's when you say some. You see, some of the students. Again, the students in plural, and the verb in for the plural nouns. Okay. Now, a couple of the students are married. When we say a couple, we mean two people. A couple means two people. Two. Only two. And again, what you do is you treat it as plural nouns. So you use are, you don't use is. You use plural noun here. And then you have a couple of. Now, one of the students obviously is just one, right here, this person here. Okay? So you say one of, And as I said before, you use plural nouns, one of the students, and then in this case you use a singular noun, okay? Wears glasses, because it's only one here. It refers to this person here. And then none means zero. You see, nobody has a cat. So none of the students has a cat. So we use has, but you can also use have. So either one is fine with none of the students has a cat. Again, these are quantifiers. So if you have this circle, this is 100%, right? So you're quantifying it by saying all of my friends, or maybe some of my friends. Or maybe a couple of my friends, just two. All right? So again, for all of these here, you use, for this one here, you use plural nouns. Plural nouns, and of course verbs, okay, in the plural form. For this one here, plural nouns, but only singular singular verbs. Singular verbs. And for this one, you use plural nouns and either singular or plural. Okay? Now, let me change. Let me take a look. At the bottom of your page, there is another one here. We have this one here. We have more vocabulary. We have a couple. You already know this one, so that's a check mark. All of us, most of, none, one, some. Now we have 10, for example. We have 10 of the students. So we're talking about 10. 10 is plural. So here the verb is in plural form. It's plural, right? So you say 10 of the students, let's say, live in Miami. Okay. Now a few means a little bit more than some, similar to some. A little bit more than some. So in the same way, the verbs go like this. All right? So, okay, that's all for now. You can do the exercise that is next to this box or chart or table on your books, and then I hope you can do all the others after we have explained this. All right, until next time.